Alright guys, so it's 2:15, it's almost 3. I'm going to give you guys a rundown of the rules and stuff, and then we'll get into it. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to explain to you the rules that I found of the Ouija board, what I can do, or basically what I shouldn't do. Okay, so let's see. I should not taunt or joke with them. I have to take it seriously. I'm not supposed to ask when I'm going to die. I should never do it alone, because apparently it either makes it so it doesn't work or it's really bad. Hopefully it's a really bad thing because I want this to work. You're never supposed to do it at your house, which I'm breaking that rule too. You always have to say goodbye to them, which I'm going to do. You want it to be darkish. Now sadly I don't have any candles, so I have some light set up over there, which is going to be fine, I guess. The hole up behind the camera is pitch black, like it's crazy. See, if it starts counting down or going through the alphabet, making an infinity symbol or figure 8 or making like a rainbow type thing back and forth, I have to say goodbye immediately because it's apparently trying to break out of the board. It could be really bad for me, especially since I'm alone. So yeah, gotta look out for that. Oh, I always have to end it if it starts to say Zozo. We'll spell out Zozo, Zaza, Zo, or Abacus, because apparently those are really bad demons that you don't want to meet. See, don't do it in a cemetery, which I'm not doing. Well, I'm also going to give you backstory. No burning the Ouija board, which I'm not going to do. And don't let it fly off the table, and don't ask for names, I guess. So, those are all the rules. Now time for the fun part, the backstory of my house, because it's actually kind of haunted. So my house is next to 2 abandoned houses right over there, like an abandoned warehouse thing right behind me, and now like an abandoned store that's no longer open. So that's fun. But the funny thing is, so when we were moving in, the glass part of the oven, we walked up one day and found it shattered all over the floor, but it looked like it had come from the inside out. Like there's no glass on the inside of the oven, only all over the floor. And this was before anyone else had moved in. It wasn't possible for people to be downstairs because it wasn't fully built yet. And the fire alarm would always go off for no reason. Like, it was crazy. And we don't understand why, or didn't understand why. So after that, I used to get these like nightmares where I would wake up, I would have sleep paralysis, and I would look over to the corner of my room, and like I can't move or say anything, and I just see this black-haired girl, like she's from The Ring or something, just staring at me, and then all of a sudden she starts screaming, and I can't do anything, and then I wake up. Some nights it would happen like 3 times a night, and it was crazy. So that really freaked me out. And then later on, probably like a couple months later, I was talking to one of my friends about it, or one of my best friends. He lived right up the road from me. So apparently he had the same exact thing happen to him. The sleep paralysis, the girl, everything. And she had opened a door that was not possible for anyone else in the house other than like an adult to open. And I guess one time he had talked to his mom about it, and his mom had seen the same exact thing and had sleep paralysis. So that's really crazy. It's like a haunted street. And then we did a little digging. Apparently the place we live in right now was a different house that had burnt down, and well, there was a little girl trapped inside and she didn't make it, so to say. And that started answering a lot of questions, but after we figured out that out, I stopped seeing the little girl and stuff like that, so it's really crazy. And now we're gonna do a Ouija board. I'm gonna break a couple rules and we're gonna see what happens. Okay guys, so also something I forgot to mention, I'm gonna be doing this at 3 a.m., which there's a specific reason for that. It's apparently the witching hour where most paranormal activity and stuff like that happens. So I figured it's the perfect time to use a Ouija board, right? And break some rules. Hopefully I don't die. Oh my god, I just realized there's a mirror right there. I'm gonna die. No, but also tell me if you guys see anything weird that I don't catch or whatever, because I mean, I want to know. Watch a lot of these types of videos and people seem to catch stuff that I never catch on my first time watching it through, so tell me, 3 a.m. Alright guys, it's 3 a.m. It's time to do this. Alright guys, so basically, let's do this. It's 3 a.m. I'm ready. I'm really nervous. I have the questions that I want to ask it right here so I can read them. And let's go. Is there a spirit here with me? I swear I'm not moving you guys. Said yes. Okay. Let's see. Are you a boy or a girl? It's going for G. Okay, so it's a girl. Oops. Another rule, you shouldn't take your fingers off the planchette. Okay, let's see. Did you die here? It's going faster, guys. Yes. Okay. Can you tell me your name? Can you tell me your name? You guys see this? I'm like barely touching it. So no. Okay, so I can't know its name apparently. I really don't want to ask this one. Are you a good spirit? Why am I doing this, guys? Damn it. Okay, it's not a good spirit. Oh yeah, I guess. Can you give me a sign that you're here? Like make a noise or something. I don't think they want to make a noise. I'll try again. If you're, can you make a noise to prove that you're actually here? Guys, I don't think that there's anything. Holy crap. Okay. I'm low on questions. Is there more than one spirit here? Okay. Yep. It's like we got a whole part. Guys, my heart is still racing from that. Like, it's crazy. Holy crap. Okay. Are you good spirits? Okay. They're not good spirits either, guys. House full of bad spirits. Yay. Can you tell me your names? That one's not on the list. I just want to know. What? Z? What names start with Z? Zio, Zo. Okay. Let's ask something else. How many of you are here? Nine? Oh, 98. That's 7, 6. Guys, it's just counting down. I don't. No. Stop that. Can I say goodbye? It's going towards. I don't care, guys. I'm saying goodbye. Goodbye. That scared the crap out of me, guys. heart is still racing. That was like a picture of my brother that fell down. I don't know if you can see that. What the heck? Alright guys, so that was scary, and my house is probably haunted, and it's 3 a.m. and I'm tired as heck, so I guess if you liked the video, hit like and subscribe. I'll do more stuff like this. Oh crap, I just realized I have my phone facing up and I don't have an actual camera, so it's probably gonna be vertical. Crap. Oh well. Promise I'll fix that in the next video. I'll probably have another person with me because I'm gonna try to get my brother to do it with me, so that'll be cool. But other than that, yeah, like, subscribe if you want. Could be cool. Follow me on TikTok if you aren't already. Always cool to see new followers on TikTok. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'm probably gonna die. Tell me if you noticed anything, and see you in the next video.